to today's video. Welcome to this vlogmas series, another video of the 25 Christmas cookies from around the world. And today we are making rosettes, another video of fried Christmas cookies. I hope you enjoyed the I know the English name, poor man cookies, the fried cookies that we did. I hope you enjoyed that video. And today I've brought another fried cookie recipe, and we are making rosettes. From the few videos and photos I've seen online, they look so beautiful, they look so nice. Hopefully we are going to have that. So welcome to today's video, and let's see what you're working with. I have milk, salt and sugar, eggs, all-purpose flour. We'll start by sifting our flour in the milk. Then we mix well. We add the sugar and the salt. Then lastly, we're going to add the eggs. The recipe says that we avoid to overmix, so I will leave it at that. So we'll put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to allow the bubbles to dissolve. And bring us comfort from afar. Dispel the shadows of the night, and turn our darkness into light. The recipe says that you pour the butter into a shallow bowl so that it can be easy to dip the rosette iron. Let me just use my plate over here. Well, moment of truth. Let's start. We start by dipping our rosette iron in the oil for a few seconds. I think that's okay. Then we dip in the butter. And then to the oil. Wow, and that's the first one. Jesus is Lord. Ah! I think this one is ready. You need them to be golden brown. I've noticed when I remove the rosette iron from the oil and it's hot, without giving it some time to cool, It does this. It does this to the butter, and the butter doesn't stick. Yep. So once you remove it from the oil, give it some time. Put it. You see, that's what I'm talking about. It doesn't stick because it's too hot.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh, dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing